The rushes of current may be of the same direction under the conditions before assumed, but most generally there is an oscillation superimposed upon the fundamental vibration of the current. When the conditions are so determined that there are no oscillations, the current impulses are unidirectional, and thus a means is provided of transforming a continuous current of high tension into a direct current of lower tension, which I think may find employment in the arts. This method of conversion is exceedingly interesting, and I was much impressed by its beauty when I first conceived it. It is ideal in certain respects. It involves the employment of no mechanical devices of any kind, and it allows of obtaining currents of any desired frequency from an ordinary circuit, direct or alternating. The frequency of the fundamental discharges, depending on the relative rates of supply and dissipation, can be readily varied within wide limits by simple adjustments of these quantities, and the frequency of the superimposed vibration by the determination of the capacity, self-induction, and resistance of the circuit. The potential of the currents, again, may be raised as high as any insulation is capable of withstanding safely by combining capacity and self-induction, or by induction in a secondary, which need have but comparatively few turns. As the conditions are often such that the intermittence or oscillation does not readily establish itself, especially when a direct current source is employed, it is of advantage to associate an interrupter with the arc, as I have, some time ago, indicated the use of an air blast or magnet or other such device readily at hand. The magnet is employed with special advantage in the conversion of direct currents, as it is then very effective. If the primary source is an alternate current generator, it is desirable, as I have stated on another occasion, that the frequency should be low, and that tile current forming the arc be large in order to render the magnet more effective.